Storm. Storm. A storm is any disturbed state of an astronomical body's atmosphere, especially affecting its surface, and strongly implying severe weather. It may be marked by strong wind, thunder, and lightning. A thunderstorm, heavy precipitation, such as ice storm, or wind transporting some substance through the atmosphere, as in a dust storm, snowstorm, hailstorm, etc. So a storm basically is this: anything that's clouds, rain, wind, thunder, and lightning. So it's any disturbed state. Any disturbed state. If it's disturbed, it means something's wrong or something is like bad. So this, we don't want all this clouds and rain and craziness. So that's a disturbed state. And state just means like a being, like how you are. So it's a disturbed way of being. You are disturbed. So if it's a disturbed state, it means that something is not right. So it's any disturbed state of an astronomical body's atmosphere. Astronomical body. That's like a planet or a sun, a moon, anything in the atmosphere. And this is the atmosphere. This is the sky, right? So within this atmosphere, we see clouds, right? There's a sun back here somewhere. And if you go further, right, you could find airplanes in the atmosphere flying around, right? So an astronomical body's atmosphere, especially affecting its surface. So surface means anything that's on the outside. So like this building here, the surface is these walls and the roof, like the top or the sides. That's the surface. Or the ground here, the ground is the surface of the earth. So especially affecting its surface and strongly implying severe weather. Implying means suggesting. So you see these clouds imply that it will rain. These clouds imply that there's going to be a storm. So you could also say the lights imply that people are in the building, right? So imply it's like saying something means something. So it's strongly implying severe weather. Severe means extreme, or it just means like very, very something. It could be very bad or very good. It's just a lot of something. So severe weather means there's a lot of something. So it could be a lot of clouds, a lot of sun, a lot of rain. So it could be severe heat, severe cold, severe rain, severe wind. Anything is severe. It may be marked by strong wind, thunder, and lightning. Marked means you notice, you know it is something because. So it may be marked by strong wind. So we know it's a storm because there's strong wind, thunder, and lightning. It's kind of like saying because. It may be because by strong wind, thunder, and lightning. So wind, thunder, and lightning. Thunder is the noise that happens before lightning. So let's click on lightning. This is lightning, right? So lightning is an atmospheric discharge of electricity. Again, this word atmospheric. So here's the atmosphere, and it is a discharge. Shooting out is a discharge out, and this lightning happens before thunder. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So you have lightning, then you have thunder, right? A thunderstorm is another word for when you have thunder and lightning happening in the atmosphere. Heavy precipitation. Precipitation is just rain. Like if you click on this, you just see a chart of where it rains most. You see it rains mainly in the jungle areas. I wonder if I can see any pictures. There we go. Thunderstorm. A thunderstorm with heavy precipitation. So here's a thunderstorm, and it's raining, which we call precipitation. Heavy precipitation, such as ice, as in an ice storm, or wind transporting some substance through the atmosphere. Wind transporting means moving. So basically, wind is moving some substance, something through the atmosphere, as in a dust storm, snowstorm, or hailstorm, etc. So it could be dust that's moving through. If we click on dust storm, you can see this is a dust storm. See all this dust? Also called a sandstorm. So this dust or sand is called a sandstorm or a dust storm. Dust storm, snowstorm, or hailstorm. Click on snowstorm, and we have, that's not a very good picture. After a snowstorm, you have a lot of snow on the ground. Hailstorm. Hail is when ice falls from the ground and you see chunks of ice lying on the ground after a hailstorm.